Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Shopify store for a clothing brand. We'll be covering conversion optimization, how you can select a proper store theme, sharing tips on how you can craft a high converting product pages, and more. So let's get started. So we'll start by heading over to shopify.com and then navigating to the start free trial button. If you don't have an account yet, then you can go ahead and create a free account that will get you a 3-day free trial. And then after that, we will have to buy one of these plans, which you can grab for only $1 a month on your first 3 months. For quick and easy access to the offer, click the link in our description box down below and then create your account using it. Shopify will take some time to create your store, and then you will be taken to the dashboard, which will look like this. And then from here, before we jump into setting up our Shopify site, we have to go over some core strategy by understanding the conversion optimization. The whole key goal when designing an online store is optimizing for conversions. And this simply refers to how many people actually make an action on your site. And in e-commerce, the money action is making a purchase. So you want visitors to not only just show up on your site, but to also make a purchase. So in starting out, we want to shoot for at least 1 to 3% conversion range. And as you optimize your store for conversions over time, through better product selection, descriptions, ads, and so on, you can push 10 or 20% conversion rate. But of course, this requires meticulously engineering your website for higher conversions from the start. The next important step is to select our store's theme. The theme controls the overall look, layout, functionality, and design of your Shopify store. So you can browse the themes directly within our Shopify admin dashboard. And as tempting as it might be, don't just choose the prettiest looking theme. Certain themes like Debut or Dawn are proven top converters. So I highly recommend, if you want to start with a free theme, that you start with one of those. And then after that, you want to define your own brand style under the theme settings. Choose an inviting yet professional color palette and font scheme. You'll also want to add in your custom logo and brand assets. Having a consistent visual identity is key for conversion optimization. And after your branding has been defined, you want to focus on constructing a very effective homepage. The homepage on a Shopify store is extremely important. Its sole purpose is getting visitors to buy from you in one way or another. So I would highly recommend setting up an announcement banner bar to display site-wide promotions. You can add in time-limited discounts like 20% off your first order or free shipping this week only. These work extremely well to create urgency. After that, you would have to design your own headline image, and this is the first thing that visitors see, so make it visually appealing and directional. Showcase your best-selling product with a clean lifestyle image and minimal text. And add a strong call to action here while prompting visitors to shop your collection or explore categories. I would also recommend including a short paragraph on your brand story and mission. Quickly establishing credibility and trust is essential. Show off any security badges or press features, customer love stories, anything that conveys authority. And finally, you can have live chat or an email sign-up form that you can greatly lift conversion rates, as visitors can have quick access to support and opt in to our marketing. After that, let's make sure that we have a dialed in product pages to get visitors across. Each product in your Shopify store needs its own custom page with engaging copy, high quality imagery, and clear calls to action guiding visitors through the purchase process. The layout should include detailed product specs and benefits, lifestyle imagery and video showing real world usage, any incentives like discounts or bundle pricing, and clean design with clear retail elements like quantity selector, buy now button, and all of that. And beyond the well-crafted product pages, having the right supporting pages goes a long way as well. At minimum, ensure that you have an about page that further establishes credibility by going deeper into your brand origins and team bios. Additionally, clearly linking important policies like any shipping policies, returns, and privacy in the footer alleviates visitor concerns and builds necessary trust. And don't forget to activate any site-wide currency conversion and translations to maximize your global reach. And that's really all the foundation that you need to get started with making a Shopify store for a clothing brand that would have a higher conversion rate. Start by building a solid foundation with the steps outlined above, and then launch some small ad campaigns directing traffic to your new store. Observe what compels people to buy and then double down on more of that across your site. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.